Hi, I'm Jordan. Today I'm going to talk about how you can play with the interactive dashboards available in any of your customer engagement application, including sales, marketing, field service, or customer service. As you know, there are two types of system dashboards in Dynamics 365 customer engagement applications: the classic dashboard and the interactive experience dashboard. The interactive dashboards provide some great features to slice and dice in a few clicks. Let's take a look at an interactive dashboard. First, an important feature is the date range filter. It is important to understand that the interactive dashboard opens using the default time frame set by you, the administrator, but you can click on the down arrow next to the default time frame and you will see many other out-of-the-box options for the date filter. Created On is displayed at the top of the drop-down list as a reminder that this is the filter by date criteria for this interactive dashboard. There is also an option for a custom time frame where you can enter a start date and an end date. This way you can limit your data scope to accommodate your custom time frame requirements, and all charts on the dashboard will get filtered accordingly. Then we have visual filters. The visual filter allows you to display charts which actually act as filters for the whole dashboard, similar to the visualizations in Power BI. You can apply as many filters as you want to drill down the data. We also have global filters. For more focused results, you can click on Show Global Filter to filter on specific conditions such as lead owner, lead source, rating, and so on, or any other field available as a filter for you to choose from. As I mentioned, there are additional filter capabilities in the global filter which you can modify to limit the amount of data being displayed in the dashboard. The one really nice thing about global filters is that you can give them a meaningful name and save them for the future. If there is a filter that you find yourself using often, this can be a big time saver. Save filters. The save filters can be referred to quickly anytime in the future when you access the same dashboard. Active filters. You don't need to worry about forgetting which filters are currently active. All filters, whether selected by clicking on a segment in a chart or selecting values from a global filter option, will be displayed at the top of the interactive dashboard in the blue areas. The filter appears at the top left of the charts. You can remove a filter by just clicking the cross, or you can clear all filters by using the Clear All button. You can also switch between Tile View and Stream View on the dashboard. By default, we see the Stream View, which shows the list of records in each stream in the dashboard. You can switch to Tile View to see just the total number of records in a stream, instead of the list of records. You can use the same button on the top ribbon to toggle between Tile View and the normal Stream View. When you click on a tile, you see the list of records underneath. Clicking on any of the listed records in a tile or stream lets you navigate to an actual record in the system where you can see and validate the complete details about that record. That's all about interactive dashboards in the Dynamics 365. For any other assistance in your Dynamics 365 and Power Platform journey, Advaiya is here to assist you. Feel free to check out our website for webinars and blogs to know more about Dynamics 365. And remember to reach out to us for any questions that you may have.